How to file your personal tax return on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to log into your TurboTax account. Now click Start a new return or Continue if you already began. Here you want to enter your personal information such as name, social security number, and filing status. Then you want to enter your income. For this, select Wages and Income. Now TurboTax will guide you through entering your W-2, self-employed information and investments. After this, you want to claim deductions and credits. For this, TurboTax will ask you about standard deduction versus itemized deduction, tax credits, and retirement contributions. After this is completed, TurboTax will automatically check for mistakes and missing info. It will also suggest ways to maximize your refund. Now you want to file and pay taxes. For this, you can select e-file, which is the fastest and easiest way to file. Choose direct deposit for a faster refund. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.